This video shows the installation of Tyvek ThermaWrap R5 on the wall. The first step in installing Tyvek ThermaWrap R5 is to strike a chalk line 4 feet above the top edge of the bump out at the bottom of the wall detail. The chalk line will help with the installation of the Tyvek ThermaWrap R5 as it's unrolled. Unroll a section of Tyvek ThermaWrap R5 and then place it on the wall using the chalk line as a guide. The required fastener must be a minimum of 3/4 inch long cap staple or a cap nail installed every 16 inches. Do not install fasteners within 9 inches of the window opening.